In the previous video, we talked about compositions that did not have a defined input value. And in my opinion, it's easier to solve compositions of this nature from the outside in. If we were to solve this problem, we would write the g function first and then plug in the f function. In this video, however, we're going to be working with a defined input value. We're going to give in an actual number. In this scenario, I believe that it's easier to solve these compositions from the inside out. What do I mean by that? I mean, it's easier to start with the input value, in this case the n value, and watch how it travels through each function. The -1 has to go through the f function first, and whatever comes out of the f function has to then travel through the g function. So let's start by finding f of -1, which is n squared minus 1. Well, we wrote the f function, now we plug in the -1. -1 squared is -1 times -1, which is +1. And we're going to drop down this -1. So we can see that f of -1, well, what comes out of that function? 0. So the input is -1, what comes out of it is 0. So now I have a number that represents f of -1. I don't have to write f of -1 anymore since I know its value is 0. So that shows me the true nature of the problem that I'm trying to solve. I really want to solve g of 0. So I write the g function, which is 3n plus 1. I replace all the n values with 0, and I simplify. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. So the original problem we wanted to solve was g of f of -1, and we get 1 for our final answer.